49 Gorgeous Beach Bedroom Decor Ideas. A beachy bedroom doesn't have to be over the top or even have obvious beach motifs. What really counts is the spirit of the coast, casual feel, cool and breezy colors, worn finishes, and an overall serene vibe, as in this bedroom from Gordon James Design. Wood with a distressed finish, as if it might have spent time in the waves, is a must-have in the beach bedroom. No overly shiny or perfect finishes here. Nor do you need a matching set of furniture, as proven so beautifully in this beach-inspired room from Jenny Keenan Interior Design. Sea life is a common motif in the beach bedroom, and one that can range from subtle, just a few shells or a wave-patterned throw pillow, to in-your-face, as with the terrific bedroom from Caroline Burke Designs shown here. Fish wallpaper is a totally unexpected and yet wonderfully whimsical way to add a huge dose of interest and pattern to a very small bedroom. If you'd like to add a powerful punch of the beach to a bedroom without losing a contemporary edge, then why not design a gallery wall dedicated to ocean life? Here, the artwork sticks with a starfish theme, but you could frame your favorite sea creature or a medley of sea life. Sometimes, all it takes is one major statement to set the tone of an entire room, as in this bedroom from Beach Bliss Living. The framed, oversized photo of the surfer dog is certainly not the usual bedroom artwork, but it sure adds major personality and fun to the space. Want to add a touch of the beach to your bedroom but don't have a lot of money to spend? Then give a small nightstand or dresser a makeover. Using furniture you already own or you pick up secondhand, start with a rough coat of seafoam blue or another beachy color, and add seashells and rope in place of drawer pulls and knobs. Easy and adorable. While there are no hard and fast rules, in general, beach design means a casual and peaceful vibe, plenty of colors of the coast, furnishings that look a bit time-worn, and motifs that suit the theme, including ocean life, waves, beachfront fun, and sports played in the sea. Notice the sea life artwork in this serene bedroom from Chongo & Company. If you have a child who dreams of one day becoming an oceanographer, or just really loves the beach, why not take a tip from Studio 80 Interior Design and show off not just shells and ocean pictures but wonderfully realistic faux fish in place of more usual artwork. What fun! If you're decorating a guest bedroom in a beach cottage, take a tip from decorator Brittany Nielsen and liven up the space with shots of color and ocean-inspired pattern. Notice the seashell-covered bedside table. Wonderful. This beach cottage bedroom, found on Ideal Home, is a perfect example of beach style. The blue and white palette, the shiplap walls, the casual vibe, and the use of seashells and other ocean life as accents are all hallmarks of this easy, breezy style. Perfect. Many decorating styles happily accept a touch of the coast. Shabby Chic is an especially good match, as it relies on casual style, well-worn furniture, and a taste for mixing and matching. In this adorable bedroom from blog The Ragged Wren, a shabby chic space shows off a cute wooden whale and a couple of starfish decorations. A beach theme is an excellent choice for a nursery. While some parents might like to go cutesy in their baby's space, an alternative look can also be quite sophisticated, as in this nursery from Little Crown Interiors. The coral and seafoam color scheme is quite gender-neutral as well. The spirit of the sea is a natural one, so it makes sense that you'll find plenty of natural elements, such as wood, bamboo, seagrass, and rattan in a beach-inspired room. Here, Tracery Interiors used a weathered bed, as well as sea life artwork, to bring the beach vibe into the space. While most beach bedrooms have lots of blue, or at least a touch, it's entirely possible to create a shoreline feel with nothing but sandy tan, creamy white and the softest gray. Want to see proof? Just check out this lovely bedroom from Ideal Home. Want to add an inexpensive beach vibe to a guest bedroom? Hang up some netting, either purchase it blue or dye it to your favorite shade, and then attach a couple of shells and starfish to complete the look. So cute! While typically you'll find white or light furniture with a distressed finish in a beach-themed bedroom, that's not written in stone. As you can see in the featured room here, dark furniture set off with just a few ocean motifs creates a more contemporary, sophisticated effect. Bringing the beach into your room is even better when it's a beach you've actually visited. Decorate your dresser top or nightstand with a small bottle, or more, if you travel frequently, containing a bit of the sand from each beach you visit. Use a ribbon to attach a note identifying the location of the beach, and perhaps the date you visited. The pretty bottle here is from Blog Over the Big Moon. Not every day at the beach is bright and sunny. Occasionally, the clouds roll in and the ocean takes on a gray hue. The resulting vibe is subdued yet calming, not gloomy. Go for the same feel in your bedroom with gray walls and artwork, as in this bedroom from Ideal Home. Seagrass, which grows entirely underneath the ocean water, is a common material in the beach bedroom. Whether it's used to weave a headboard, window blind, decorative basket, or even an area rug, this sturdy grass can add a beautiful touch of natural texture in your room. One classic beach bedroom treatment is wood panel or shiplap walls. The paneling might be white or, as shown here, a soft ocean green, or perhaps a watery blue or foggy gray. Whatever color you choose, it's the wood panel that provides the casual style. If all four walls are a bit more paneling than you'd like, just go with one accent wall at the head of the bed. If you love cottage style as much as you love the beach, combine the two, as in this room from Marie's Manor. A few seashells add the spirit of the ocean to a charming cottage bedroom. The beach bedroom goes romantic when the bed is surrounded by a dip-dyed canopy, as in this space from Ideal Home. You can easily do this yourself with a box of dye and sheer white fabric. Shadow boxes are a great way to show off any type of treasure while adding a ton of interest to your walls. You can show off a collection of favorite seashells and decorate your bedroom walls by creating a display in a shadow box, as in the one shown here from Jean Ginn. Many children love the beach, so this is a popular theme for a kid's bedroom. As shown in this fun space from Chongo & Company, it's okay to go a little brighter and more colorful when decorating a child's room with a beach theme than you would in a sea-inspired master bedroom. If you're looking for a great decorating theme for a preteen boy, consider the beach. For this age, you won't want anything cutesy or even too much in the way of sea life. Instead, take a tip from JS Home Design and decorate with foggy gray, a simple ocean photo, and plenty of texture in the accents, such as with throw pillows. If you want to give an otherwise basic bedroom a taste of the ocean, you don't need much more than a couple of eye-catching pieces of artwork, such as the large crab pictures in this bedroom from Pat O'Neill Interiors. While most beach bedrooms are decorated in ocean colors of blue, gray, green, and sandy tan, there's no hard and fast rule that you can't use any other color you like. Nor do you have to show off typical beach motifs or artwork. Instead, you can just show off a few accents with stylized ocean life or bedding with a coral-themed design, as in this room from Nursery Interiors. If you've got a young surfer girl on your hands, give her a bedroom that reflects her passion for the beach. In the room shown here, from Marie's Manor, a simple wall mural sets the pace, while a few colorful pictures complete the scene. So cute. One of the easiest ways to give a bedroom a beach or ocean theme is with bedding. You'll find many comforters, sheet sets, quilts, and duvet covers to match this theme. Shells, waves, coral, seahorses, starfish, or fish are popular motifs. If you want to bring the ocean into your home without spending a fortune, consider this easy idea from Ideal Home. Use wooden clips to hold ocean life-themed postcards or pictures on the wall. An eclectic bedroom easily accepts a few touches of the beach in the form of ocean-inspired artwork, real shells or coral, beach glass, fishing nets, glass fishing weights, or even a driftwood sculpture. Why not give your dresser or nightstand drawers a taste of the beach? Adding new drawer pulls or handles is one of the easiest ways to give furniture a makeover, and if you like the ocean, you can turn pretty seashells into your very own beachy hardware, like these DIY pulls from Engineer Your Space. While it might be too much for some, if you want to add a bit of over-the-top beach style to your room, consider a piece of furniture entirely encrusted with seashells, like the bedside table shown here. It's a little bit kitsch, a whole lot wonderful. A beach theme works well in a guest bedroom or shared room. Shell-strewn sheets, ocean life artwork, and a sandy color scheme are all it takes for a casual, welcoming vibe. While fish, seashells, coral, and seahorses are common motifs in an ocean-inspired room, there's no reason you can't go deeper, as Tracery Interiors did here. An octopus is a fun and unusual design for an above-bed painting. Lots of beaches are found in tropical locations, so if you like a brighter palette, liven up your space with the turquoise, lime greens, corals, and reds of the hot zone. This adorable bedroom gets it right with a nautilus shell throw pillow, seafoam paneling, and mermaid bookends. In this bedroom from Clark Collins, bedside lamps the color of sea glass set off a painting of an ocean scene. That's really all that's needed to set the beachy scene in this space. Decorate your beach cottage bedroom with plenty of seashell designs, such as the throw pillows, bedside lamp, and artwork shown here. What could be easier than decorating your dresser top or nightstand with a bouquet of driftwood found on your favorite beach? This simple idea is from DIY enthusiasts. A palette of creamy white, the barest hint of blue, and a touch of weathered turquoise brings to mind the beach in the early morning. What a peaceful, relaxed, and easy color scheme. Many young children love the beach, even if they live far away from the coast. Indulge that love by decorating a shared children's bedroom with a colorful beach theme. Blue walls with the slightest hint of gray bring to mind the ocean on an overcast day, and make the perfect backdrop for a sand dollar triptych. You can capture the spirit of the beach without any obvious beach motifs by sticking to a blue and white palette, using worn wooden furniture, paneling the walls, and setting out a glass lamp the very color of sea glass, as in this wonderful attic guest room from Country Living. It's hard to imagine any preteen girl wouldn't love this colorful bedroom from Full Nest Inc. The crashing wave mural is so much fun, you might be tempted to add one to the master bedroom as well. Looking for a DIY beach accent for your bedroom? Then why not make this wonderful oyster shell adorned mirror? It's not very difficult or expensive, although it is a bit time consuming. You'll find the complete directions at Nourish and Nestle. Touches of coral and red work well as accents in a beach cottage bedroom, as shown here in this room from Ideal Home. Bedding with a coral pattern is perfectly set off by the striped sheets. While you'll most often find white or soft-colored walls in a beach bedroom, there's no law that says you can't go dark if you want to. And if you want to really have fun, why not surround yourself with fish-adorned wallpaper, as in this wonderful bedroom from Nancy Hill Interiors. The typical palette of an ocean or beach bedroom is reminiscent of beach glass, watery blues, soft turquoise, greenish blue, and seafoam, all mixed with plenty of white or sandy tan. This gorgeous bedroom from Witten Architects shows off the perfect beach bedroom color scheme. A beach bedroom, especially if it has an edgy, surfer vibe, is a great choice for a teen or preteen boy. Here, Jennifer Paca Interiors shows off a surfer and shark adorned bedroom that just about any teen boy would love. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.